Hello everyone, so let us discuss this problem. In this problem, we have to find out the missing frequency which is marked as x, okay? And the mean of the frequency distribution table is given as 27. As you can see the table, there is a value x which is missing and this is a value of frequency, okay? So we have to find out the value of x and the value of x will be from these four options. So we have to find which option is correct from these options, okay? So before moving to the question, I think we should know that what is already given in the question, okay? So we will write it. So as you can see, the frequency distribution table is already given, okay? Frequency distribution table. And with the help of this table, you are going to find out the actual answer. You will see the question, you will get to know that the mean is already given. The mean is equal to 27, okay? And by these two information, you have to find out the value of x, okay? So you will get to find out the value of x, okay? So before moving to the solution for this problem, I think you should know that we are going to convert this horizontal table, like this table is given in the horizontal form, okay? So we are going to convert it into the vertical form. Why we are going to do that? We are going to do it because इससे हमारी calculation थोड़ी सी easy हो जाएगी, okay? So we will do that. So here you go guys, you can see I have converted that table into the vertical form, okay? So we are going to write what is already given in the table. So it will be 0 to 10 and 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, okay? And the frequencies which are given in the table, that is equal to 5, x, 15, 16 and 6, okay? I have denoted frequency as Fi, okay? So we are going to name this as Fi for some time in this question, and there is something class mark. What is class mark? Class mark will be the mid value of class, okay? So as you can see, there is class interval of 0 to 10. So what will be the mid value of this class interval? It will be equal to 5, okay? So in this class interval, the mid value will be equal to 15, okay? Similarly, the mid value of this class interval will be equal to 25, and we can do for this and this. It will be equal to 35 and 45, okay? Great. Now I have denoted class mark as Fi, okay? Now we are going to multiply Fi with Xi for each row, for each class interval, okay? So we are going to write it here. It will be equal to 25 for the first row, as 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Similarly, x into 15 is equal to 15x, okay? And 15 into 25 is equal to 375. Similarly, 16 into 35 is equal to 560. And for the last one, 6 into 45, it will be equal to 270. So अब हम इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करने वाले हैं? इसमें हमें जरूरत पड़ेगी इन सारे वैल्यूज के सम की, ठीक है? तो हम समेशन करेंगे Fi की सारी वैल्यूज का, ओके? तो Fi की सारी वैल्यूज को अगर हम सम करते हैं तो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 42 प्लस x, ओके? सिमिलरली हमें जरूरत पड़ने वाली है इन सारी वैल्यूज के सम की, तो हमें किसका समेशन करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू डू द समेशन ऑफ Fi into Xi. This is equal to 1230 plus 15x, okay? So why we have done the summation of these two values? आपको ये पता होगा कि मीन का फॉर्मूला होता है, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द फॉर्मूला फॉर मीन, दैट इज इक्वल टू fi xi divided by summation of fi. So अब हमें मीन का फॉर्मूला भी पता है और इन दोनों की वैल्यूज भी पता है, तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं, we will just put the values here. Okay, so it will be something like 1230 plus 15x divided by 42 plus x. Okay, and हमें मीन की वैल्यू भी पता है, that is already given in the question, that is equal to 27. So अगर हमें सब कुछ पता है तो आपको जो फाइनल इक्वेशन मिल जाएगी, that will be this one. Okay, so we are going to solve this equation and find the value of x. तो हम इसे जल्दी से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं और हमें मिलेगा 1230 plus 15x, that is equal to 1134 plus 27x. Okay, great. Now we are going to take this here and 15x to the right side. Okay, so we will get 1230 minus 1134, that will be equal to 27x minus 15x. Right, now when we will calculate it, we will get 96 equal to 12x. Okay, so x will be equal to 8. Okay, so हमें x की वैल्यू फाइनली मिल चुकी है, दिस विल बी द फाइनल आंसर. बट हमें क्या दिया हुआ था, हमें ऑप्शंस दिए हुए थे 4, उनमें से हमें सिलेक्ट करना है कि हमारा आंसर कौन सा होगा. तो अगर आप देख पा रहे हो, यू कैन इजीली सी देयर इज ऑप्शन 7, 8, 9, 10 एंड 8 इज द ऑप्शन बी. ओके, तो 8 हमें वैल्यू मिली है x की, तो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी इक्वल टू B. Okay, so the correct option will be equal to B. So we will write it here. The correct option is B. Okay, so I hope everyone understood this question. Thank you.